During digital forensic investigations, officers face a significant challenge. UFTR reports containing vast amounts of data like chats, calls, and images. Manually analyzing this data is incredibly time consuming and can delay critical breakthroughs in a case. Our solution is designed to solve this exact problem. Our platform simplifies the entire process, starting with data ingestion. An investigating officer can easily upload the forensic report. Here, we are selecting an Excel file containing MMS message data. Now, we come to the heart of our tool, query analysis. Instead of writing complex database commands, an officer can interact with the data using simple, natural language. Let's ask a question. Show me messages from this phone number. Behind this simple interface, our powerful AI agent gets to work. It is not just performing a keyword search, it is interpreting the user's intent, retrieving the relevant data, and analyzing it for crucial insights and anomalies. And here are the results. Our tool provides a two-part response. First, the AI analysis. Notice it didn't just list the 50 messages it found, it intelligently summarizes its findings. It highlights that all 50 messages share the exact same timestamp and contain no message body, correctly identifying this as a potential anomaly or batch data that warrants further investigation. This is an insight that could easily be missed during a manual review. Second, for complete evidentiary support, we present the raw database results. This allows the officer to view each individual record exactly as it appears in the report, ensuring full transparency and verifiability of the AI's findings. Our AI-based UFTR analysis tool transforms a daunting task into a simple conversational process. It drastically reduces investigation time, empowers officers to uncover hidden connections, and ultimately accelerates the path to justice. Thank you.